Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. Thank you so much for joining the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com. Hey, tada! This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Chippa United 0. My brother, how's it?
My brother, Gimnand, how's it, Lapoina?
Gimnand, man. Your game tonight, how do you feel about it?
We're not feeling it because always a win. Sundowns 3-0, clean sheet, every day.
So you don't feel anything?
Just to witness only the results, England
So, but not Kazil, I'm trying.
everyone. As Sundowns plays, it's a combination team. There's no star. Everyone plays roles. But in the long run, Komanje is star. I'm a training player. Definitely.
Kungenzeka into yenzeka previously not star and then Esperance and keep.
In the final in chairman ulapha obvious lapha eTulu Mtsipa. Definitely vele njalo
Utolungisa things.
VR Mtsipa bakhona. And mina if isawina star fair yabona angeke ngijabule. Ngifuna istar sisuwine yabo. Ngebackdoor uthi vele la bebe chips Pirate yabona. But sizwine ngebutsotsi ngifuna lo angifuni le fair. Ngifuna ukuthi even after 10 years yabona but nawina ngebutsotsi ngifuna into enjalo.
No, that's good. No, congratulations in advance. I hope uzoswina ngobutsotsi ngempela.
The only thing they call Sundowns yoba mayini usikaba my favorite tournament Masai Club World Cup le sima underdogs but careful those things are favorite always
Try not being fair.
No, I'm saying we are favorite but because we are focused more on league it's our culture league
but next time kumele be focus everywhere.
No, because why cover the rear but Spanish whatsoever ngizangikwazi ukwazi ngasi league la liga bo German kunani Bundesliga those other things but sport or whatsoever ngikwazi awukaba league only league and Champions League.
No, thank you so much, brother.
Thank you.
Sure. For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.